So we are going to look at an example of long polynomial division, and let's get started. So I'm writing down the problem that we're working with. It is 4b cubed minus 20b squared plus 23b plus 5 divided by b minus 3. I'm going to start by taking a look at the first term in the binomial and the first term in the polynomial that I'm dividing. And I want to see how much or how many times or what do I need to multiply with b in order to get the product 4b cubed. And the answer to that is going to be 4b squared. So that's what I'm writing down. Now 4b squared is going to be multiplied with the entire binomial. It's going to be distributed over b and negative 3. And I'm going to write its product in the line below here, just like in normal polynomial, like in normal long division. So 4b squared times b, of course, is 4b cubed. And 4b squared times negative 3 is going to be negative 12b squared. And what I'm going to do at this point is subtract this entire line from the line above, just like in regular long division. I'm going to subtract this entire line. So I'm going to put the expression in parentheses and subtract. You'll notice that what's going to happen is I'm actually going to be subtracting each term, which means that when I'm subtracting a negative, it's kind of like adding. So 4b cubed minus 4b cubed is going to be 0. There's nothing there. Negative 20b squared minus a negative 12b squared is going to be a negative 8b squared because I'm actually adding. Now I'm bringing down the next term, which is 23b, and I'm going to start all over again to see what I need to multiply with b in order to get the negative 8b squared. I want to see what do I need to multiply. So what do I need to multiply? It'll be negative 8b. So now I'm going to distribute negative 8b with b and with negative 3. And you'll see that at this point I'm actually going to, so at this point I'm actually subtracting from the line above. So again, I get the first terms to cancel out, and then 23 minus 24b is a negative b, and I bring down my next term. Going to look one more time to see what do I need to multiply with b in order to get this first term, which is negative b. So b times negative 1 will give us a negative b. Now I'm going to distribute the negative 1 over b and negative 3, and I'm going to subtract that from the line above. So I'm subtracting that from the line above, which means that that negative gets distributed through that whole second line. So you'll see that I have a remainder here of 2. Now that is my remainder. What do I do with the remainder? Well, just like with mixed numbers in long division, you are going to write this almost like a mixed number, where you take the remainder and put it in the numerator of a fraction, and the denominator of that fraction is going to be the divisor, or what it is that you're dividing by. So watch. So 2 is my remainder. The way I'm going to express that is I'm going to say, well, it's this expression plus 2 over the quantity b minus 3, and that is now my answer.